Gold dropped till towards 1830 levels and silver till towards 2140. I asked you to remain short below 1847 and 2170 in gold and silver yesterday. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also precisely 10 hours from now. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the level. Now see, gold has consolidated here for a while, dropped till towards 1830 and now again above its support levels at 1840 levels. Now it has consolidated here for a little while on the hourly charts, created a base trying to reverse. How far it can go? It can again attempt and try to achieve till towards 1847-50 levels. Possibility exists that it can try to achieve those levels before it looks over to any downward move. So now see the movement formation. You can see on the hourly charts when it was bearish, lower highs, lower lows were seen. And this time if you see, the consolidation is pretty strong with sideways movement, and now it is trying to break up, and hence possibility exists that it can try to trade a little bullish. Now see, directional movement crossing over for a buy, stochastic rising. The MACD again divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards here, and the RSI is also come out of the oversold zone and looking upwards. Now look at 2 hour. If you look at 2 hour charts and if you connect the highs here, see this is the channel in which it is trading. Yes, it has created the base. Now even if it tries to rise, we can expect that 1860 and 1865, yes, only bullish confirmation is above 1865. I have told you many a times in last few days. Now again the same levels will come into picture, and hence if it tries to rise the zones at 1850, 55, 60, till here it is going to get very strong resistance, and only if gold trades above 1860, 65 zone, you should be considered bullish. Else, achieving the bottom of the channel, it may try to achieve the highs at 1850, 60 levels. So this is one part. Second is, if you can see the 2 hour charts, this is a breakout here after showing little greener steps, a big bullish candle, possibly a second follow-up candle may also be seen, but then it is getting the resistance from the pivot levels at 1843 levels, and beyond that 1845-50 levels to be seen there. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic rising and has come to overbought levels. The MACD is crossing, and this is divergent, this is bullish, and this is happening at after a good bearish move, and possibly it can try to bring it little up. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. And if you look at 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. You can see multiple candles getting resistance here. Now it has come out of the zone 1842-43, certainly a good resistance. Beyond that we may see 4750 levels to be seen, and in fact it can try to fly a little height for 55 or 60. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI has come out of the oversold zone and trading comfortable now. If you look at 4 hour charts, also on the 4 hour chart, see, if you observe the movement here, see, first of all, this is a breakout candle. Second, see the symmetry, these two candles almost symmetrical. So these two candles can also be probably symmetrical, which means it can try to fly till towards 4750 levels in a couple of candles, and once it trades beyond 50, little more bullishness might be seen, which might take it for 55-60 levels. Now if you look at directional movement, this is bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD bearish, trying to converge. RSI was oversold and it is trying to recover a bit. Now look at daily, and if you look at daily chart, see, first of all, one bearish candle, indecision, second bearish candle here, and if you look at the channel, it is trying to trade in this, the bottom of the channel at around 1825, 1820 levels, and see this candle has already formed a tail, left a tail on the downside, and it is trying to recover. Now if it continues to trade bullish above 1843, you can expect 4750 and then 5560. These levels are achievable, but only bullish confirmation for the day. once it trades above 1860 levels, and hence these levels are going to be very stronger resistance. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic oversold at bottom. MACD is bearish. It may converge from here. Crossover for the buy entries. RSI at bottom trying to recover. Considering you can sell gold today at 1835, but then expect 1830, 1825 as a very good support. And if it breaks below 1835, see 1820 is the next stronger support. And see, 1840 was first, 1820 second, and now if it breaks below 1820, it may try to stretch the bearishness till towards 1800 also. But right now it appears it may try to recover a bit. Even if it has to trade down, it may try to recover a bit before trying to drop. That is the first part, and hence for the day you can sell at 1835 levels, and strictly you have to trail your stop losses. On the upside, you can buy at 1843, but then expect 1847.50 as the first resistance zone. And once it trades above 50, it may try to stretch the bullishness little higher and may try to take it till towards 1855 and 1860. Only confirmation of bullishness, only confirmation of reversal is if it trades above 1850 levels today. And then 1860 levels. 1860 levels certainly going to be a very good resistance level. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reserve your seats now, book your seats now. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver here. Silver, yesterday I told you below 2170, we can see it trading till towards 2150-40, precisely achieving 2140. It is now trying to reverse. Now see, after consolidating for a while, couple of stronger green candles, and it has come to 2180 levels. Now 2180, as you all know, is a good resistance. Beyond that, now beyond this, there are a couple of observations here. See, 2190, as the drop started from here, it may try to hit this ceiling here again. Once it trades about 2190, then only little more bullishness can be seen, and we may see it hitting 2210 levels also. So this is one part. Next, only if it trades below 2160, we can expect that it is reversed and it will trade bearish. That is the next observation. Now look at directional movement, bullish. Stochastic looking upwards again. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI also looking upwards on the hourly charts. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now see the 2-hour charts, if you connect the highs here, precisely it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, and possibly once it trades about 2190 and 22 levels, then we can expect that it may try to rise a little more. That is the first part, and 2160 anyways is a support level. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bullish, this is looking upwards, showing strength. RSI is also looking upwards, showing bullish momentum here. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you can clearly see so far it is getting the resistance at 20 period moving average on the 3-hour charts. This time this candle has broke past the 20 period moving average. I will wait for the next candle, and if next candle takes it about 2190, you can stay long for 22, and then beyond that we may see little more bullishness, because if it trades about 22, 2210, 2220 levels certainly might get achieved there. Directional movement is bearish, trying to cross over for a buy entry. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence, trading bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. Now, same on the 4-hour charts, 20 period moving average, giving it a little resistance. You can see so far the movement is contained below the 20 period moving average, and it is trading bearish. This time it is trying to break out. Definitely I will wait for the next candle, and if it trades about 2190, you can stay long for 22, and then 2210, 2220 levels to be seen. Remember here 2250 is the next target level if it continues to trade bullish from here. Directional movement is bearish so far, and It is willing to cross over. It is almost been couple of weeks since it is trading bearish. The stock I stick looking upwards, trying to rise a bit. The MACD has crossed over. This is trying to trade bullish. RSI is also looking upwards and showing little strength. Now look at the daily charts. Now if you look at the daily chart, see two candles increasing body size and leaving a tail behind. Now leaving a tail, also remember this is trading in this channel. I have told you several times that silver is trading its in this channel and its movement is completely confined within this. Now once again achieving the bottom of the channel, it is trying to reverse. And also one more observation, that see the previous candle's high at 2190. Certainly this could be a good resistance level beyond which it may try to confirm the a little reversal and a little rise till 22 levels. These are also possible, but this is trading in this channel. This is a bearish channel. On the downside, 2120 is going to be a very good support. If you see it trading below 2160 today, you can sell. You can expect 2150, 2140 and 2120 levels. On the upside, 22 is something which is a good resistance. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold and it is trying to recover a bit. And if you look at the MACD, this is bearish. This is trying to converge from here as it has seen a good drop so far after staying overbought. Now is the time for silver to converge. My expectation that from here we may see little bullishness in silver. RSI is trading at bottom. So considering this, for the day you can stay long about 2190. A good confirmation for bullishness is only if its silver trades about 2120, 2220 levels. Beyond this, 2250, 2280 levels can be seen. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 2160, you can sell and expect 2150, 2140 and then 2120 levels. In between 2160 and 2190. Now these 30 cents today a little wider no trade zone, but that is what, because there are resistances on the upside and downside, support and the downside at these levels, and hence do not trade for these 30 cents. Above and below you can take your positions, but please trade with the trailing stop loss till 2220 on the upside and till 2120 on the downside. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.